everybody, my name is McKenna. I'm here at Bowfish Studios with my model Holly. In this video, we're going to be going over how to prep your hair for braiding and styling. For this video, you'll need some water or pre-wet hair, some Detangler. I highly recommend this Clee Kids Magical Detangler. You can get it here at Bowfish Studios. Some hairspray if you're getting ready to braid, and then just a brush and a comb. All right, let's get started. All right, so Holly's hair is currently dry, but if your hair is already wet, you can just skip this step. But I'm gonna grab my little mister here, and we're gonna get her hair all wet. So we're gonna get the top, the sides. I like to get underneath, just grab all the hair and go up, and just do a little in it. We're gonna get it nice and moist. It doesn't need to be completely wet. It just helps the detangler if it's a little damp. All right, we're now gonna take our Clee Kids Natural Detangler and we're gonna spray it all in the hair. So we're gonna get it all in there. And now we're gonna start brushing. So an easy way to avoid tugging the head is by grabbing the hair in one hand as if you're gonna put it in a ponytail, but then you just brush the ends and make your way up. If you start at the top, you're gonna automatically pull the head back. See how Holly's head is moving? But if you do the method where you grab it like this and you start brushing the ends, her head's barely moving. She doesn't feel the tugging as much, and this is awesome for kids with really sensitive heads. We use this in our salon all the time. All of our stylists do it, and it has really great results with kids with sensitive heads. All right, so once we get that ponytail brushed out, we're gonna start opening our hand and brushing the part that you're holding. So you brush, hold, brush, hold. We're gonna get the sides doing that same method. You do a little twist around. Get all that, and we're gonna slowly start working our way up. You don't wanna skip or else you're gonna make more knots for yourself. And you wanna, it's really important you make sure to get this under hair. Sometimes that's really forgotten, and that's where you'll find most of your knots. So you gotta make sure you get under the head and that back neck hairs. There we go, we have our hair all brushed out, and it's now all ready to braid.